Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at Caldwell Hall at the Catholic University of America, Washington, D.C. And I have no idea what kind of elevator it is, but we got an old gated elevator of some sort here. That's very, very tiny. Alright, let's go up to 4. Oh, there is an indicator up here. Doesn't look like it works though. Whoa. That was quite a hard stop. Let's go back down to 1. Very, very tiny cab. It's gotta be one of the smallest elevators I've been on. Here we are on 1. Alright, let's give this one more ride. Let's take a look out here real quick. Look at this. You can hear the relay. I have no idea what brand this is, but this thing's pretty cool. What brand does it say here? Can't really tell what it says on the interlock. I'll check my footage though later. That's interesting. Here's your added phone. And we'll get off on 1. Here we are on 1, just about. And we'll get off here. Let's see if we can send it up. There it goes. I guess it's just gonna sit there because I hit the button before the door closed, but that's cool. Well, there it goes.